girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, today I have my Izzy and Liv brown sugar box. We're going to be unboxing this month's box. This is for November 2023. This is a black lifestyle box. Each month they have a different theme, and it does come with a t-shirt. This box does cost $42 plus $8.95 shipping and handling, plus taxes based on where you live at. So this is the box we're going to get right into. So let's get started. So this one was kind of packed. So this is your guys' sneak peek. So you guys can see what's in here. It does come with a mini magazine. So this is it here. And we have a QR code on the back, which allows you the full access to the full magazine that we used to get in here, but you know, everybody's cutting back, so you know, we have the short version, and you could just use the QR code to go on and look at the regular magazine. On the inside, guys, we have what's in our box. We have the value up here. This month's value is valued at $137. And I really like this subscription because this is one of the subscriptions where you can stop and pause the subscription as needed and resume it as needed. So it does fit anybody's budget financially. If you want to do just a handful of boxes for the year, then you can. But if you want to keep getting boxes monthly, you can. So I think that's a really cool feature about this box. But this is what's in our box. So this month the theme is Smell Good Edition. So you know, I love fragrances, so hopefully it's a lot in here for me. But Smell Good Edition is the theme for this month for November 2023. So let's get right into what's in this box here, guys. So the first thing sticking right out on top, I'm gonna pull out, looks like we have some socks, so let me pull them out of here. This is, what are they calling these? Soulful Tip Gripper socks. So looks like I have navy blue. So let's take these out so you guys can see better. Yes, I have navy blue, and they feel like that Chanel kind of material on the top. Real warm and cozy kind of. On the bottom it says soul, as you guys can see. It has the fuzzy material on the inside to make it nice and cozy, guys. So these are the footnotes is what's on here, Izzy and Liv, and I'm gonna just kind of can I pull them out of here? I think so. Are they stuck together? Oh, they're stuck together. Okay, let's do like this, because that was in my way. So this is what they look like, guys, and then on the bottom it says soul. I think it's a one size kind of fit all. It doesn't say any sizes on this one, so I'm just assuming a one size fit all. And then it says these Fleece Shepherd line gripper socks are the perfect blend of comfort and motivation, designed to keep your feet cozy and your steps stable. This silicone dots and the inspiring words on the sole provide a non-slip grip and a dose of positivity. It is one size. So there's one of 6 that we could have received. So the other colors that were available, there's quite a few. There's a pink, there's a green, what else? Red, the blue that I have, and it looks like there's a turquoise blue as well. So these guys are valued at $14, which not bad. This is pretty cozy. This is not bad for $14, for a value of $14. Not bad. This is definitely nice for the winter time on them cold nights. You got your blanket wrapped around you and you got your little footies on. So I think this is cute. This is cute. So let's see what else is in this box here. So the next item I'm pulling out, guys, we have a Reed diffuser, aromatherapy diffuser kit. And what fragrance is this? It says Goddess Vibes scent. So let's see. So there was 4 different versions you could have received a fragrance for this, and it says transform your space into a haven of tranquility with our aromatherapy set. Each set combines the richness of essential oils with pure water, housed in a sleek glass bottle measuring with 10 reeds to diffuse the fragrance. You can customize the intensity to your liking. Enjoy long-lasting aromatherapy bliss. So you could have received 1 of 4 scents, which is exquisite scents of Majestic Harris, Empress, or Goddess vibes. So I did get the Goddess vibes. I did go ahead, guys, and take this out of the box so I can have it prepared and ready for you. This does have a very nice fragrance to it. It's not too perfumey. It's kind of clean smelling. And this is definitely something you can like keep in your bathroom or office. I think this is in a nice vessel. The glass bottle looks really nice. There's some kind of design on it. It looks like a sunflower or something. It looks different as you turn it around. But it smells really nice. And a nice aroma. I definitely like this. This is really nice. So guys, this was valued at $35. Wow. $35. Ooh, pretty steep for 35. Now I mean, there are definitely reed diffusers that the sets that you get, and they are definitely pricey. It does smell really nice. So I do like it. 35, I might be saying you might be reaching just a bit on the price, but I do like it. And it does have a nice fragrance. So no complaints over here. This is definitely getting put somewhere once the video is done, but it smells really good. And the reeds actually are very moist. Like when you go to touch them, I put them in and they instantly grab the fragrance of the aromatherapy scent that's in the bottle, and that's like holding it. Like you touch them and you can feel like a little moistness of it absorbing everything. So I think that's good, because then the scent will carry and it can kind of keep the fragrance going, because the reeds are actually picking everything up. So very nice. I like this a lot. So let's check out the next thing. So the next thing we got in our box, guys, we have a spray of some sort. This is a room spray. So we have an aromatic room spray. This is valued at $22. This is a pretty nice size bottle here, actually. It says, elevate your space with our 8-ounce room sprays. This is the key to transforming any room into a sanctuary of delightful aromas. More than just a fragrant mister, this room spray serves a vital purpose in enhancing your surroundings and elevating your mood. You will get 1 of 4 exquisite scents: Majesty, Harris, Empress, or Goddess vibes. So looks like I got Goddess vibes, which matches the reed diffuser. So we have the room spray and we also have the reed diffuser. So perfect. So I know what this already smells like. It smells like this. So no guessing. So this is valued at $22. I think this is pretty cool. I've never seen them do the reed diffuser or the room spray before. So these are definitely new ideas and new products they have floating around. So I think this is cool. So let's check out the next one. Oh wow. What is Goddess scents? Look at this, guys. So we have Goddess Scents perfume spray set. There's 4 in here. This is valued at $40. Wow. Now, y'all know I love fragrance. I'm a fragrance girl. So in here we have, what are these scents in here? Does it say? Yes, it does. It says, experience luxury in every spritz with the new perfumes, featuring 5 scents in a 12 milliliter glass bottle. From enchanting complexity of diva mocha mystique to a radiant allure of majestic aura, each fragrance tells a story. Discover your signature scent and make lasting impressions with this collection of fragrances crafted with care and sophistication. Okay, this is new, guys. I've never seen them do this before. So I'm gonna pop some of these out of here for a quick spray, because I am curious to see what these smell like. I'm shocked. I've never seen them do this before, and I've been with them a long time, so it's definitely new for me. Let's see. Ooh, I like that. That is nice. So this is Queen's Bouquet. Oh, that is really nice. That is nice. It's like, it is a perfume smell. Definitely, it's a perfume. Oh wow, I wonder how long this lasts when you spray on. This smells really great. Let's spray another. So we got Heavenly Essence over here. Let's pull that one out. Get that one to spray. Oh, this is is a nice clean one here. A nice clean kind of scent. Well, I like that one too. Oh, this is Essence of a Diva. Oh, that one smells nice too. Ooh. Oh, I like that one. That one smells good too. I mean, these so far, all three of these smell really great. We have Majestic Aura. I got another arm. I'm gonna go with the crook of this arm. So Majestic Aura. That one's okay for me. Yeah. That one has almost there's a musk scent in here. I distinctively picked up for this Majestic Aura. That one's okay for me. And there's one more left for me to spray. I don't know where the hell I'm gonna spray it, but alright, now I gotta make up a place to spray it. Hold on. Shoot. Alright, we're gonna go with the back of my hand here. And this one is for the Mocha Mystique. It smells like a tangerine or something is in this one. Alright, these last two probably aren't my favorite. So I don't like the Mocha Mystique, and I don't care for the, what is this, the Majestic R. They're not my favorites right off the top, I'll tell you. But I like it. I like the idea with the fragrance so far this month. That's pretty cool to me. So the last thing in this box, guys, is our shirt. We got our shirt. So let me pull this out. I have a large. Look, I smell like the fragrance counter at one of the Macy's. It smells good in here though. So this is our shirt, guys. Our shirt is generally valued at $25. Let me see if that's still the same. $25 for the shirt. This is the Self-Care Soft Life Tee. So $25 for this, and it says wrap yourself in the essence of self-care and a gentle embrace of the soft life with your new tee. Perfect for lounging or casual outings, or you can kind of dress this up and toss a light little leather jacket over it and kind of style this however you choose to do so. But yeah, self-care is the shirt. It only came in this one color. There was no other colorway or options, but this is cool. So I like that. Alright, so in review, this box has a $137 value. We have our tea of $25. And we have our fragrances here, the Goddess scents, valued at $40. And I actually like these, and I like the fact that they're travel size, so I think that's awesome. We have our room spray, and the Goddess Vibes is the fragrance. This is valued at $22. We have our Reed diffuser and the Goddess Vibe scent as well. This is valued at $35 for our $37 value for the box. I like the fragrance edition, I must admit. Oh, I forgot. And we got our cozy little footy socks here. The gripper socks. So this is valued at $14. And I liked it. Well, first off, I like these little things in the winter time because, you know, I'm cheap and I don't like to turn the heat up in the house. And this comes in perfect for when my feet is cold. So this is perfect for me. I wish I'd have got my favorite color, you know, purple, but I didn't get that. So I'll work with the dark blue. That's fine. I think this is really cute. Right. So to me, this was a nice box for the month of November. I like the fragrance edition. I wish this t-shirt would have said something about fragrance, because it almost is like a mix between like a theme of self-care and fragrance, but they called it the Smell Good edition. But I don't know, I don't know, it doesn't seem like, I mean, we got more fragrance than we do like the self-care, but to me, like, these are two self-care kind of things, like what the shirt says, and the socks is like more self-care than a fragrance edition. I felt like you would need another thing that was a smell, something with a smell like a candle or something to kind of finish pulling it together for maybe the Smell Good edition. I don't know, that's just my idea for the theme, but you know, I kind of put my own little things. Oh, it would have been nice if it came with a candle too. And that's what I was just thinking in my mind. Instead of the footy socks, they should have gave us the candle for the whole Smell Good edition. But anyhow, I liked it. I think everything smells nice that I received, which is a plus. Sometimes you get these things and they give you fragrances and you don't know what to expect. So I thought this was awesome that everything smelled good. So this was a win for me. I did like this box. If you picked this up, guys, let me know what fragrances did they send you, and did you like everything that was in here? Did you like the perfume? Did you like the scent that you received for your reed diffuser and the room spray? Hit me up in the comments below. I would love to know what you guys thought about this month's box. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell if you have not already subscribed to this channel. And we'll keep you up to date and let you know when I next post. But until the next time, guys, I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.